In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram story restyle something went wrong error. If you're facing this problem, then the first thing you want to do is completely close the Instagram app. Now you want to head over to your settings. Here you want to scroll all the way down and find the option of software update. Here you want to check if there is any update available. Update your phone to the latest version. Next thing you want to do is make sure that your internet connection is strong. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and check. Next thing you want to do is turn off private DNS. For that, open up your settings. Now find the option of connections. Here you should be able to find the option of more connection settings. Tap on that. Tap on private DNS. Go ahead and tap on the off option. Tap on save. Now head back to your settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Here you want to scroll down and find the option of Instagram. Now tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Here tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. After that is done, you want to open Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Instagram. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If your problem is still not fixed, you want to check if Instagram servers are down. For that, open up any web browser. Then search Instagram down or Instagram server. Then tap on any reliable website such as down detector. Here you want to check if there is any issue with the server. If there is, you want to wait for a couple of hours. Once the issue is fixed, this problem will also get fixed on your device. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.